steak type curry. And for the ingredients, we'll be using a New York strip. We have a Thai red curry paste, a little bit of peanut butter, trust the process, some coconut milk. We have an onion, some bok choy, a little garlic, red bell pepper, and some Thai basil. There's some other ingredients in it, and those will be listed out in the caption below. First, we'll start off by cutting up some onion. We'll do slices for this. Scoop that aside. Then cut up a bell pepper. All right, for the bok choy, we'll just do a little rough chop. That's really all you need. All right, and for the steak, we're using New York strip. I'm just gonna hit it with this Kinder's prime steak seasoning. You can be real generous with it. Cover all the sides. All right, grab a nice cast iron. Get some oil in a pan. You go ahead and add your steak. It'll be fat side down first. Let that get a nice sear. And once you get a nice sear like that, go ahead and flip it on the side. And I'll probably cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. And after a couple minutes, got a nice sear, go ahead and give it a flip. And after about a minute, you can throw in some butter so we can baste it a little bit. Add butter and a few garlic cloves. Once it's melted, you can go ahead and start basting it. Take it out and let it rest. All right, we're gonna cook the curry in the same pan. So no need to wash it. We're just gonna take out some of this grease. Get a few paper towels and just kind of dab it a little clean. But some of that flavor in there, kind of like that. All right, we'll melt a little more butter. Get that nice and melted. All right, once you got the butter melted, go ahead and add in your bell pepper and onions. Get these nice and sauteed. We're gonna do a little bit of some ginger. And we'll let that cook together for a couple more minutes. All right, once you got it nice and reduced down, kind of like that, we're gonna season it with some coriander powder. Don't need too much. And a little bit of cumin. A little red pepper flakes, just a little bit. Salt and pepper. Mix it in. And we'll add in our curry paste. And tomato paste. Mix it all together. All right, then we'll add our chicken broth. Add in some bok choy, a little bit of fish sauce, and then some peanut butter. Trust the process, just trust it. Mix it all up. All right, and once that reduces, go ahead and add your coconut milk. Nice and mixed in. You should get a nice, vibrant orange color. All right, once you got it at a nice simmer, you can add your Thai basil in. That should be the last touch. All right, now we can cut into that steak. All right, now we can go ahead and start plating. I made some rice ahead of time. So we can just scoop some curry in the bowl. About that much. All right, and then for our steak, we'll go ahead and add it in. Nestle it in like that. Add a little garnish, because we're fancy like that. And I have a little bit of furikake. That's all we have. All right, cheers, y'all. Man, that's good. Let me try that steak. Oh yeah, that's cooked just right.
I think you should keep with the walk-off.
I appreciate y'all watching.
There we go.
I appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.